It's 11:30 in the morning here on Monday, February 24th, 2025, and it's about 55 or 60 degrees. This morning it was foggy. I come out here, I had a couple goals. Number one was to move the sheep to a new row, unroll a bale of hay and move the sheep to a new row. And the other goal was to move the water back to the end so it can operate properly. And but I come out here in the morning and it was super muddy, and I had a hard time getting the bale unroller even in position because the mud was so thick. We got a quarter inch of rain this morning, but somehow it decided all the rain wanted to form a mud pit there in the bale area. So genius me, of course I'm always thinking and making up plans, and I said, you know what, today might be a good day to move the dogs. So I grabbed Hindungi. Oh wait, I should mention first I moved the sheep, the rams, to a new pen. They have plenty of hay now. I'm keeping the dogs separate because there's some signs that the dogs might be messing with the rams. And then I said, you know what, now's the perfect time to move the male dogs. So Hindungi and Bento. And so I moved them down in the pen that the dogs were in. Now the puppies are in their own pen. And I took the female dogs out, the older ones, and I says, I'm going to put them by where Hindungi and Bento was, because Bento was such a good dog. Surely these dogs are good dogs too, but unfortunately I come out here and one of the dogs wanted to chase one of the bottle lambs. So I'm not going to let him do that. So I'm going to keep them on this side of the fence for now. They won't cross unless there's a good reason to, and there's no good reason to. I should mention too, the dogs, they made a beeline for the ducks. I guess they've been watching the ducks for a long time, and they got 3 of them. One of them's already dead. The other one's probably going to die soon. The other one I think just has a broken leg. So yeah, raised them with sheep, but they didn't learn about ducks. They also gave a rabbit a run for his money. I saw them chase that rabbit across the field. I wasn't sure the rabbit was going to make it, but he did. So these guys have been running around, burning off all the energy they've built up for the past year. Being stuck in a pen with sheep, right? So I'm going to be careful that they don't chase any of the lambs. And 90% chance that I'm going to go down there, park the side by side, and they're going to hang out by the shop waiting for me to come back. And so when I come back this afternoon, I'm probably going to set up a new row, move the dogs to the other side of the row. So the sheep are in their own row. The cattle have their own row. I got a bale of hay ready to go. But I got to eat some food. I haven't eaten yet. I'm hungry. And yeah, not much else to report. Just these dogs are having the time of their lives now. So yeah, no eating sheep, no chasing sheep, no biting sheep, no wrestling sheep, right? Those are the rules. Not much else to report. It looks like everybody's doing okay. The sheep seem to be doing okay. I'm thinking that I'm going to probably start feeding the bottle lambs just like once every other day or something. Or maybe a half cup each. So just make a cup of milk a day. And then start really weaning them off the milk. I've been feeding them about 2 to 4 cups a day. 2 cups each. Right? But lately I've been doing once a day. And they seem fine. Their bellies are full. They eat the hay. I watch them eat the hay and after they eat the milk. So, alright guys, that's all I got for you. Bye-bye. Take care.